We need two more. Kuya, halika dito, dali. Come join us. Pero magaling ka kumanta. Magaling naman to kumanta. Okay naman. Ay, halika na. Sige, sumama ka na. One more female naman, female. Abe, fun. Iisa lang microphone natin. So, you guys know how to sing. Just wanna make sure. Okay, sige. Ano favorite yung song na i-belt out sa karaoke? Oh no, I should ask for your name first. What's your name?
I'm Bryce.
Bryce. And how old are you, Bryce?
31.
31. Okay, are you from here? From downtown Toronto?
Mississauga.
Mississauga. How far is Mississauga from Toronto?
It's about a 35 minutes off the GO train.
Oh, by train. Thank you for coming here, Bryce. Thank you. What's your name po?
Rowell.
Rowell. Naku! Mukhang pambato ng organizers natin. Kuya Rowell, so are you from here?
Yeah.
Just
Summer North York.
or northern. Okay. We have Bryce. We have Rowell. Huwag ka pumahiya. That's okay. Hi, everyone. What's your name?
Presley.
Presley. So, you're also from Toronto?
Mississauga.
Oh, same as... Oh! So, who's younger?
Me. I'm young.
Okay, how old are you?
22.
22. Wow. Such a baby boy. Still a baby boy. My gosh. Hi! How are you? What's your name?
My name's Em. I'm such a huge fan.
Thank you so much.
I'm starstruck.
Oh, thank you, Em. Thank you. It's so nice to finally meet you. Thank you for supporting me, my music. Good luck to you. Naku, pag-fan ko, alam siya, magaling kumanta yan. Oh. Em, hi. What's your name?
Ryzen.
Rice. Oh, what a nice name. Ryzen, like a sun, right? So how young are you, Ryzen?
22.
22, same as Presley. Sorry, I'm bad at names. So, okay, let's have a little fun. What's your favorite go-to karaoke song?
You know me. Cult of Personality by Living Color.
Okay, can you just sing a few lines? Show them.
Cult of Personality by Living Color.
Can you sing? Okay, go.
Look in my eyes, what do you see? The cult of personality. I know you're angry, I know you dream. I'm here to wanna be. Oh, I'm a cult of personality.
That's nice. Okay, we will reveal your score later, okay? Okay, kahit di ka manalo, okay lang. Oo, na-shock. Ay, oh, thank you. Sige, let's have selfie muna. Before we proceed to... Okay.
Thank you.
Bryce.
Bryce, ikaw naman, ano yung favorite karaoke song mo? And can you sing a few lines for us?
Sure. Manila. I keep coming back to Manila. Clap your hands, y'all. Simply no place like Manila. I'm coming home.
Sabi mo kanina nahihiya ka. Parang di naman lumapit pa talaga dito sa harap ko eh, no? May showmanship, ano? Mataas score mo sa akin kasi igabi yung showmanship mo. But thank you, Bryce. Okay, so we have M. Oh, ikaw muna. Anong favorite song mo?
Pwede po ba Tagalog?
Of course! Ano naman?
My go-to karaoke song is Bukas na lang kita mamahalin.
Okay, M, take it away.
Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita.
May modulation. wide range, no? Tapos, tinignan ko yung ano niya. Ano tawag ba doon? Yung parang tonsillitis niya. Tonsillitis ba?
May flap.
Hindi. No. Can I just say na ang ganda kasi ng placement ng mouth niya. Parang perfect for a singer.
Oh my God. Honor privilege.
Presley, can you show us your singing capability?
Yeah, I'm a big Disney fan, so
So what's your favorite
I
Disney
would say
song?
A Whole New World.
Oh, that's my favorite. Yeah. If you need help, just let me know.
Of course.
Okay, I can help you with that.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did you last let your heart decide?
Maybe you don't need help from me. Oh, galing naman. Oh, he's on point, no? Nasa tono lahat ng mga kinanta niya. In fairness. Congrats, Priscilla, no?
Presley.
Presley. Lagi ako nagkakamali. Priscilla, Presley. And Kuya Rowell. Kuya Rowell.
Ay, kinakabahan po kasi ako sa stage.
Kinakabahan ka? Halika dito sa unahan. Para ma-overcome mo yung stage fright. Halika dito. Kantahan natin sila. Oh, what's your favorite song?
Your song, Pusong Ligaw.
Can you sing it to us?
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang matutunguhan at pupuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noong bukas at kailanman.
Guys, for
Thanks so much, John.
Thank you, Kuya. Oh,
Agila!
Agila! Agila! Okay. Alright, so, guys, I hate to say this, pero syempre, ayoko naman na sa akin manggaling yung judgment. So, sila na lang yung bahala kung sino yung parang pinaka-favorite nila. Okay, so first, we have Bryce! Yung mga kabarangay ni Bryce sa Mississauga! Come on, cheer for Bryce! Oh, may standing ovation ka pa!
Ryzen.
Verizon! Verizon! Marami kang fans dito sa likod. Ayan. Okay, we have Presley! Oh, may standing ovation ka na naman, oh. Basta mga mother, tita, Lola! Oh, say hi to your Lola. And okay, to Kuya Rowell!
Thank you guys.
Dami fans ah. How about M? Dami fans. Oh, mula likod hanggang harap ah. So, we know who's the real winner, no? Well, actually, they're all winners. Pero lahat sila makakatanggap ng gifts from TFC. Prepared ba kayo? Meron ba? But the pinaka-winner si Em! Thank you, Em, for your nice singing voice. I hope to sing with you in the future when you go back to the Philippines, ano? Okay, guys. Halika, mag-picture tayo dito before you all go. Yes. Oh, ano yan? Huwag ka na mahiya. Sabihin mo na saan.
I would like to thank my IFCNA family! Hi, CNA!
Hi! IFC family, right? Okay, so guys, come on, let's have a groupie